Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So, um, before we get into the actual pour of the day, I would like to show you the finishing piece of like the last video. Here it is. As you can see, it does have this like, it's pink, but then it's actually like some sort of shade shifting into purple at the same time. And like the thing that I love about this piece is actually that the yellow and the green is still like really shiny. It's pretty good, and like the white cells actually still pops well. It's pretty good. Now, about today's video, I wanna still stick with Project Unity, but rather than using a complementary, like the split complementary color chart, you see like we've been through like 3 pieces now, and I haven't done a piece with the base color of Ultramarine Blue. So today I'm gonna be using Ultramarine Blue as the base, and then we're not gonna go with like split complementary anymore. For this video, I'm gonna stick with the 3 primary color. And as you have already seen, like this is like from the second piece. The red actually dried a little bit dull, so like in this pour, the red, I will try to add like a little bit of yellow inside of the red, you know, it's trying to bring the shine up when it's dried. I don't know, it seems to work for me. I don't know if it's working for you guys, but I'm using Montmartre, Brilliant Red, and Mid Yellow. It seems to work. It seems to like bring the shine up to the red a little bit rather than drying dull. So yeah, and between the red and yellow, I'm just gonna add like white as normal. And the same thing, funnel pour. And yeah, with straw to blow the edges. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribe and hit that notification button. It's somewhere down there. So YouTube will notify you next time I post new content. And if you've been watching the channel for a while and you still haven't, follow me on Instagram or on TikTok, I'll be sure to leave the link to those down at the bottom too, in the description. And without any further ado, let's jump into the pouring part, shall we? So there you have it, guys. This is the final product. I love a lot. So like if you see when I lift up like the funnel like around here, like the yellow sort of mixed with the blue, it turns into green. It still does like somewhere here, but now like it's like mostly yellow, and I'm glad that I have that result rather than like entirely green. And apart from all these cells that you see, excuse my dirty hand, I got like even though I wear gloves, like, you know, you still gotta get it dirty. Apart from all these cells, you can see there's some low-key cells like right here. You can see it. Yeah, there's some cell here. There's some here. And there's also something here. That's what I like. There's also something there. If you can see it. There's all these like low-key stuff that I love about this type of, you know, this medium when it comes to cells. And yeah, I hope you like this one. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, you know, hit that like button and share it with your friend. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.